Most common question I get about my life. Ty, what do you do for a living? How do you make money online? Well, it's a good question. Got all these books here. Slowly but surely, I taught myself how to make money online. Some of those books aren't related. But I'm going to show you something. And I haven't shown this for years. Partly because you don't want to show all your secrets to people, right? People might copy it, but who cares? I'm okay. I've made enough financially that if you want to copy this formula I'm going to give you, go ahead. By the way, here, I'll show you something. Because I'm going to put a link. Just hold that for 1 second there. No, just like that. I'm going to show you something. So this is a Stripe account for one of my businesses. I haven't even looked at it today. This is not a screenshot. I'm going to put my thumb on it. So $52,315. Can you see that? There we go. That's today. It's not a made up screenshot. 1.1 million in the last 30 days. That's a business that I built 1 year ago. Started making 7 figures, $1 million business in the first week. How did I do it? Stuff I learned in these books, but more than the books, stuff I taught myself. So I'm about to take a whiteboard and lay this stuff out for you. I'm gonna record a video. I'm gonna put a link. Click this link. It's above and or below or down in the description. I'm gonna go through. Forget the books. You don't have to read all the books about how to do internet marketing. I'm gonna just show you what I do. Okay? I've never done this before. For years I've been on, YouTube and Facebook. People are always like suspicious, like, oh, what do you do, man? What do you do? I just showed you one thing, 52,000. You know what that business is? Selling books. That's why I want to show you books. Simple household items. You could sell things all around. You could sell pens, notepads. You can sell jerseys online. You can sell knickknacks like that. Like anything that you could sell. Water. Amazon. You know how much money's going between people's hands on Amazon? You can sell chess pieces. You can sell shoes. You can sell whiteboards. You could sell lights. Like everything. You can sell sweaters like this. Glasses. I have a business that I'm an advisor to that sells glasses. Makes $1 million a year. So let me break down this formula for you. Like I said, I probably should have done this before, but better late than never. Click the link. Head over to my website. You don't have to put a credit card in to watch this video. I'll train you. I'll train you. Okay? I'll show you what I do. All right? Click the link. I'll see you over there.